Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristen and today is Christmas in July. This is a collaboration. It is hosted by Shannon from The Daily DIYer and her Christmas channel, The Cozy Christmas Cottage. So I will leave the playlist in the description box below for you guys so you're able to check out everybody's fun Christmas in July DIYs. And make sure you save these videos because you probably aren't going to recreate them now unless you're into Christmas in July. But you will want to save them for Christmas time. I cannot wait for you guys to see what I made. All right, this first DIY I'll be using in this house. This was from Dollar General and it was only $1.50. It was 50% off. And I'm just painting the edges with the Waverly chalk paint in the color Crimson. Once the paint was dry, I just added some glue. I'm just using a regular old Elmer's glue stick and I'm adding a piece of this scrapbook paper right to the center. I already cut it down and that is it for this one. I picked up a ton of Christmas scrapbook paper at a thrift store. It was all brand new and they were having a 50% off sale on all their scrapbook paper. So I paid under 25 cents a piece for pieces of scrap paper. It was amazing. It was great. It was just all Christmas. So you guys are going to be seeing a ton of scrapbook paper this Christmas in a lot of my videos just from thrift stores. So this next one, this was also $3 from Dollar General and I'm using another piece of scrapbook paper just to go over the top of this. I kind of thought this looked like a bulb and I think it is so cute. I loved that handle at the top with the rope. So I actually left everything as is and just added this scrapbook paper. And I think this is a really cute tray. I also think it would be really pretty to layer this item with other Christmas items. So that is what I did with that Santa house. I think this is the cutest thing. Next item is also from Dollar General. I went crazy with their half off buy one get one free sale. So this was only $4 and I'm just peeling that Spin Me tag off. I love that it's Lazy Susan and it spins. So I did decide to sand this down and I just used a Bosch sander and I sanded the entire thing down. So it would been a lot easier to paint here than it would to go over those blue flowers, which I was debating on even doing anything with this because I actually thought those blue flowers were so pretty, but I just really don't decorate much for summer and it just really didn't go with my decor, although I did really like it. So I'm using the color Crimson again. This is by Waverly and I just had to do 2 coats with this, which I don't really think is bad. If you have a hair dryer or a heat gun on hand, you can dry paint quickly. Creative Fabrica is my favorite website to get any sort of graphic or SVG. I'll link in the description box below for you guys, but I actually got this SVG from there and it is a Santa's cookie tray. I thought the Lazy Susan would be so cute to kind of add to the center of the table for all of Christmas. And then once Christmas Eve rolls around, we can throw the carrots, the cookies, the milk. I don't know how that's going to work this year. We just got 2 kittens recently and these things are all over the place. They are on our counters during the night. We have stuff all over the floor. They knock everything off the table. So we will see how Christmas goes this year. Are we going to be able to put up a Christmas tree? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if you guys have kittens or cats and what happened your first Christmas with them, because honestly, I'm terrified of all of my decor. Actually, Lucas is sitting next to me helping me out with this one. They are always everywhere. So I thought this was super cute. This SVG did take a little bit and I did end up putting this on there without a C for the cookies. You see I'm struggling and sometimes I like to leave those things in because we all have been there and it happens to everybody. So it's not the Cricut. It doesn't always go perfect for everybody, but you have to keep trying. This is a pretty large SVG. I think it was like a 11 by 11-ish. It was around that size. So it does not say cookies right there, but I did have the C on hand, so I was just able to add that. Once I pulled this off, I wanted this completely done, and then I worried about that C later, so I'm just adding that. And that is all I did for this. I do need to seal this with something so it does not get ruined and we're actually able to use this to decorate with, but I think this turned out so cute. DIY, I'm using actually 3 of these wooden, I'd like to say wooden coasters, white in warm buff paint, and I'm just going to be mixing that together. So I usually think these wooden pieces look exactly like coasters. I feel like that's what you would use them for, maybe wheels for a truck or a craft like that, but I decided that these actually really look like Loft House cookies. Let me know in the comments, do you guys like Loft House cookies? We love them in our house, and I always kind of wanted to try that cake pop recipe with them, but honestly, I just like to eat them. They're so good when they're in their house. They do not stay for long. But I'm just going to be painting it. I wanted it that off-white color, since that's kind of what the Loft House cookies look like. And then I'm just using a plastic knife and some spackle from the Dollar Tree to spread this on like frosting. I found the cutest sprinkles off of Amazon, and I love the faux sprinkles. I don't normally buy a ton of, I don't normally buy a ton of crafts as far as faux sprinkles and things like that. I just don't think I would use them, but I've almost used this entire bag, and I'm just sprinkling these on the top, and they were starting to come off, so I did have to press them in pretty good on my spackle or my faux frosting. I think these turned out so cute. I kind of want to make a bunch of these in a bunch of different colors of frosting. I think these are just super fun to make, and they honestly took no time at all. This is a quick idea. I'm using this hexagon wood shape, and of course this looks exactly like a stop sign. So since this is a Christmas video, we had to just add a Santa stop here sign. So I am just painting this with the Waverly chalk paint once again in the color crimson, and then I just add Santa stop here SVG, and it is good to go. I think this is so cute, and it is just a really quick and easy DIY piece. DIY, I'll be using this bamboo spoon and a bamboo turner. These are from Dollar General, and they are only $1. That's why I really like going to Dollar General. You can find some great items from there between $1 and $3. They always have great sales. It's even better when you go on Saturdays because you can use that 5 off 25 coupon. All right, so I am using this tulip fabric paint, and I am just putting this over the tops or the tips of the spoon and the little spatula or this turner, and I'm just pounding that bottom down to make a fun drip on this. I think this kind of looks like when you are scooping cake batter out of a bowl, and you always just want to lick the spoon. All the kids want to lick the spoon. We all love cake batter. And even though it says not to eat it raw, who hasn't ate cake batter raw? It is the best. We have to. Maybe not the whole bowl, but you do eat a spoon or two full. And I just added those faux sprinkles to these as well. And I think these turned out so cute. I was shocked how much I actually liked these little spoon DIYs. I think the more fun I have with crafting, the more excited I'm getting for Christmas time to actually make more Christmas DIYs. It's going to be so fun. Even though it's just Christmas in July, I'm already ready for Christmas. I think it is the most fun, exciting holiday to craft for. So I just used my Cricut, and I just cut out Christmas and then cookies, and I just kind of wanted something on the bottom because I wasn't sure if I was going to maybe stick these in a pitcher or a vase of some sort. But just in case I don't, I just wanted everything to look cute, just in case I decide to lay these out. And of course, we have to add some bows, and that is it for this. And that is also it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, I would love if you consider sticking around and subscribing. Also, don't forget to check out the Christmas in July playlist. The link will be in the description box below. But that is it, you guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.